You know what I need to do? Because where I've got like these sound effects on my microphone, like that. I need to get some like I need to get like the creeper hiss sound effect. That's what I need. I'm gonna do that right now. Tell me whether this would actually trick you. Here we go.
Oh my goodness, dude. That's really good.
I'm gonna just drop that on somebody when I see them.
You should totally do that.
Oh man, that's like, gonna be so good.
You don't want to get it on
that
that
can't be.
That can't be.
Yeah, this is not good.
No.
Wrong treated.
Oh, Tango behind you!
You actually got.
Oh, you
charged!
What the? That actually made me jump.
That worked perfectly. Hook, line,
do you have op? How did you do that?
Play it through a speaker.
Dunno, dude.
Oh my god.
Just whatever you do, don't look me in the eyes.
I just 360 no-scoped the light before my eyes. I was like, ah! Oh my gosh.
Oh, an Enderman one too. That's evil.
You are the worst.
These are my strategies.
Why am I sweating?
These are my strategies for late game PvP. When it comes down to look, there's one actually one over there. Big back me up here, dude. We spawned over here. These chumps are trying to say that they spawned here.
You don't want to get it on
Let's
that
say no base here.
Yeah, this is not good.
No.
Wrong treated.
Oh, Tango behind you!
Oh, you jerk! That actually made me jump.
That worked perfectly.
Do you have op? How did you do that?
Big back me up here, dude. We spawned over here. These chumps are trying to say that they spawned here.
You don't want to get it on this fight.
Let's say no base here.
Yeah, this is not good.
No.
Wrong treated.
Oh, Tango behind you!
You actually got me.
What the?
That actually made me jump.
That worked perfectly. Hook,
do you have op? How did you do that?
Play it through a
Dunno,
speaker.
dude. What's going on here? Who else have we got here now? Hold on a minute.
Dark and full of terror.
We've got Impulse, Scar. Oh, behind you!
No! Why is it still going?
Oh man, if I could get a 100% success rate with that, that is going to be the best.
Guys.
What's going on here? Who else have we got here now? Hold on a minute.
Full of terror.
We've got Impulse, Scar.
people.
Oh, behind you!
No!
Why is it still going? That's not cool.
Oh man, if I could get a 100% success rate with that is going to be the best.
Guys.
What's going on here? Who else have we got here now? Hold on a minute.
Full of terror.
We've got Impulse,
More
Scar.
people.
Oh, behind you!
No!
That's not cool.
Oh man, if I could get a 100% success rate with that is going to be the best.
Guys.
What's going on here? Who else have we got here now? Hold on a minute.
Full of terror.
We've got Impulse, Scar. Oh, behind you!
No! Oh, why is it still going?
Oh, that's not cool.
Oh man, if I could get a 100% success rate with that is going to be the best.
Guys.
We were
What's going
looking
on
for
here?
shelter
Who else
because
have
the
we got
night
here
is
now?
dark
Hold
and
on a
full
minute.
of terror.
We've got Impulse, Scar.
people.
Oh, behind you!
No!
Don't you? Oh, that's not cool.
Wait, is Joel now here?
Hello, Martyn.
When did you get here?
Do you want to see my water bucket trick?
Whoa.
Oh, no, that's very
Oh, behind you!
Oh, you are!
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I hate you. I hate you so much. That is the worst thing. I'm actually going. You actually scared me away. Man, I'm never going to see. Oh.
Wait, is Joel now here?
Hello, Martyn.
Yeah.
When did you get here?
Do you want to see my water bucket trick? Oh, I didn't do
Whoa.
it. Oh, no, that's very
Oh,
embarrassing.
behind you!
Oh, you are!
I'm leaving.
I hate you. I hate you so much. That is the worst thing. I'm actually going. You've actually scared me away. Man, I'm never going to see. Oh. Do you want to see my water bucket trick? Oh, I didn't
Whoa.
do it. Oh, no, that's very
Wow.
Oh, you are!
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I hate you. I hate you so much. That is the worst thing. I'm actually going. You've actually scared me away. Man, I'm never going to see.
Oh, man.
Wait, have you met, like, Cleo and all that, and Impulse? Like,
Yeah, so
Yeah.
me and Bigby started in the southeastern corner, like right in the corner, and then all of a sudden everyone's come there now and they've settled there. They've put up like signs and they've been breeding sheep. I was only downstairs strip mining for like 5 minutes and they've just gone and completely done that. Oh, behind you!
Oh, you're the worst. I knew as well. I knew as soon as I heard it, I was like, oh, no. There was a slight difference. Joel, stop looking at my check.
I saw a stagger. I saw a back step.
Oh.
breeding sheep. I was only downstairs strip mining for like 5 minutes, and they've just gone and completely done that. Oh, guys!
Oh, you're the worst. I hate you. I knew as well. I knew as soon as I heard it, I was like, oh no, there was a slight difference to it. Joe, stop looking through my chests.
I saw a stagger. I saw a back step.
Hello.
Hello.
hated
How you doing?
chickens.
I was so.
You bringing it with you?
You.
Oh my chicken!
What was that noise?
Easy.
I literally, my hands were shaking. My heart was going pitter patter. I was going to throw up.
I got like
You did this, Jimmy. You went like this.
Literally, my arms just got goosebumps from that. I'm not even joking.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
I thought
Hello.
hated
How you doing?
chickens.
I was
You
I was
bringing it with
looking at
you?
you.
Oh my chicken!
What was that noise?
Easy.
I literally, my hands were shaking. My heart was going pitter patter. I was going to throw up.
I got like
You did this, Jimmy. You went like this.
Literally, my arms just got goosebumps from that. I'm not even joking.
Come on, in here.
Oh, have you got a
Quick,
space? Wait, I'm coming. Hold up.
Come on, okay.
Oh, there we go. Oh, behind you!
Oh! Why?
Take the sand biome for ourselves and sell the sand rights.
Yeah.
It's
Way too big.
I have been looking for you. You were the last one I needed to get.
Oh, that was obscenely loud.
Take the sand biome for ourselves and sell the sand rights.
Where are they?
Yeah.
Over here.
It's way too big.
I have been looking for you. You were the last one I needed to get.
Oh, that was obscenely loud.
Well, it was pillage the village. We did that. Take the sand biome for ourselves and sell the sand
Where's
rights.
the technical crew? Where are they?
Yeah.
Over here.
It's way too big.
Not again!
I have been looking for you. You were the last one I needed to get.